Hey, welcome to Cook for Health. Today we are making this colorful summer salad. We need the sliced carrots for it, then we need diced radish, some red pepper, then olives, parsley and cilantro, and of course lemon juice. Now we are going to make sure that we are cooking the carrots because your body can easily absorb the carotenoids in the carrots if you eat them cooked rather than raw. So I'm just boiling the carrots in this water for a couple of minutes. Now after that we are transferring to the salad bowl. Then here goes the red peppers. Now we are adding here these radish, white radish, and now go ahead and add the black olives. Now let's make the dressing. For dressing we need olive oil. Then we are going to add cayenne pepper and paprika. Yes, we are going to add both because one has very rich flavor and other has the color. So here goes the cinnamon powder, and then we are going to add salt. Then there goes the garlic powder, lemon juice, and then whisk it together. So our dressing is ready. Now pour it over the salad, then mix it properly and enjoy. See you in the next video. Thank you.